You're scrolling Instagram right now, but what if I told you half the people you follow aren't even real? What if I told you they're actually AI, making thousands of dollars, and Instagram has no idea? My friend Phil stumbled onto something truly wild, and it's about to change how you see online money-making forever. Phil, like many of us, was just mindlessly scrolling YouTube late one night. He wasn't looking for AI art or even ChatGPT hacks. Instead, he found a video about creating fake people with AI. Digital humans, with faces, personalities, entire backstories, looking 100% real. And then the guy dropped a bomb. People are putting these AI people on Instagram and making thousands of dollars. And Instagram has no idea they're not real. Phil's brain exploded. He realized this wasn't some far-off tech. This was happening now. Imagine, you create a fake person with AI, put them on Instagram, have them promote products, and make money when people buy. Instagram just sees another influencer. Here's how ridiculously simple it is. First, you don't create anything new. You don't invent products. You go to Amazon, or ClickBank, or buy goods, places full of products already selling like crazy. You just pick one that's popular and making sales. I even give my students a list of the best-selling products right now. Takes literally 5 minutes to choose. Then, the magic happens. Step 2. Create your AI person. This sounds hard, right? It's not. You're not building AI from scratch. The tools already exist, ready to go. You're not programming. You're not designing faces pixel by pixel. There are galleries with hundreds of faces. You go to the AI website, pick a face you like, type in a name like Sarah or Mike, hit generate, and boom. Your AI person is ready in under 10 minutes. It's like picking a character in a video game. Next, you set up an Instagram account for your new digital influencer. Type the name, upload the ARI's picture, write a quick bio, and click a Create Account. Done. Now for step 3, copy, then paste, and finally post. You use your AI to post unlimited videos and pictures. The more your AI uploads, the more you bank. It's 2 minutes, once a day. Your AI appears on Instagram, people click the link in their bio, they buy the product, and the brand pays you a commission. We're talking $50 here, $134 there, sometimes $200 to $300 plus from a single post. And your AI can post multiple times a day. That means multiple chances to make money every single day. While you're resting, eating, with family, or at your day job, your AI posts. You get paid. Your AI posts again. You get paid again. Your AI cash clone works 24/7, you stay completely anonymous, and money flows into your account automatically. Do you want to be the next influencer but remain invisible? Then find out more. Just follow the link below.